What's up, guys? Eating outside today with Chris. We got pork chop and some air fried French fries, all off the Blackstone.
Oh, that's hot.
Yeah, fries are hot. Got some A1 for the pork. I know this is gonna be hard to see for the food. Shouldn't have ate outside for this, but it's so nice out today, right, Chris?
Mm-hmm.
You want some?
Yeah.
Tap. I was gonna cut it, but if you don't mind, I'm gonna just eat it like this. Hey, we need to do the thumbnail.
Oh, yeah. Ooh.
Oh, there goes my pork. And French fries.
Foul.
Dang paper plates. Yeah, it's so good. Mom's gonna yell at me though. Look at all that stuff on the floor. Ooh, I'm in trouble. No, I'm not in trouble. She don't yell at me. It's like if you spill something in your mouth, did yell, you know? So it's a huge splatter all over the floor.
It looks like it just.
It looks some on my foot.
Foul.
I need more A1. Get that out of the way. Whenever I have meat like this, though,
Yeah.
I should get a real plate. I should cut it too. Put it on my bum. I even brought a knife. But I didn't bring a real fork, so the real knife don't work. Oh well. Maybe go to the fair tomorrow?
Yeah.
In New York. Yeah, it's like a splatter all over. Is it good?
It's so juicy.
You like pork chops? Do you like pork chops?
Yeah. Where's this from?
Store?
Oh, yeah, what store?
Grocery store?
Yeah, what type of grocery store?
Tops?
Is it Tops? Done.
All pork tastes like this. What are you, hating on Tops?
No, it's just. The steak was hard to eat, so you would think this would be hard.
True. We got steak from Tops too. The last. Maybe it's on my TikTok. Maybe it's on YouTube, but it was a little
Speaking
tough.
of TikTok, you gotta do your TikTok.
At TScott3030. It's alright, I'll do another one. I'll fix it. All the pork is gone. Time to eat my dirty deck fries that fell on the deck because I dropped my plate. Hidden Valley, pretty good. Second best ranch.
What's the first?
I like Ken's, or no.
There's a fly.
I think I like Ken's Buttermilk Ranch.
Hidden Valley is the first. Imagine a fly walks over the camera.
Crispiness.
Look at this last bite. Yeah.
Ain't the last bite.
No,
You
hang
can
on.
do it in like 4.
This last bite. Ready?
Clean up my mess. Pork chops, tender, juicy, delicious for pork. Steak's better. Pork's good. Chicken's my third.
Yeah.
You can argue with me, but chicken is okay.
I feel like chicken and pork are tied for second.
Steak is first.
Pork chops are third.
I don't know. It depends if you get barbecue chicken too. I don't know. But that's dinner, guys. Sorry I was a mess. Peace. Till next time.